Exploring the advantages and disadvantages of drone technology. Introduction to drone technology. Drone technology, also called unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, has emerged as an increasing number in recent years. These gadgets are geared with cameras and different sensors that permit them to fly and seize snapshots or information from the air. They may be utilized in plenty of industries, along with agriculture, creation, and transportation. However, as with all new technology, there are many benefits and drawbacks to the usage of drones. Advantages of drone technology. The ability to get admission to regions that can be tough or risky for people to reach. For example, drones may be used to look at electricity strains or wind turbines, which can be frequently positioned in far-off or risky locations. Drones are also beneficial in seek and rescue missions, as they can quickly cull huge regions and offer real-time snapshots of the hunting area. Ability to accumulate information quickly and efficiently. This information may be utilized in plenty of industries, along with agriculture, wherein drones may be used to reveal crop boom and hit upon sicknesses or pests. Drones can also be utilized in creation to create 3D models for homes or to look at systems for harm. Drone technology can assist enhance protection in plenty of industries. For example, drones may be used to look at bridges or different infrastructures for harm, lowering the desire for employees to climb to risky heights. Drones also be utilized in transportation to supply items or scientific elements to far-off regions, lowering the chance of injuries or injuries. Disadvantages of drone technology. The ability of drones to invade people's privacy. Drones may be geared up with cameras and different sensors that permit them to seize snapshots and information from non-public belongings. This has raised worries about using drones for surveillance purposes. Another downside of drone technology is the ability to cause injuries. Drones can malfunction or crash, inflicting harm to belongings or injuring people. There have additionally been incidents wherein drones have interfered with industrial aircraft, elevating worries about the protection of the use of drones in populated regions. There are worries about the value and accessibility of drone technology. While drones have emerged as extra inexpensive in recent years, they're nevertheless sizable funding for plenty of groups and people. Additionally, using drones is closely regulated in lots of countries, which can restrict their accessibility to positive industries or people. Drone pricing and affordability. Drone pricing varies relying on the kind of drone and its supposed use. Consumer drones may be bought for as low as $100, at the same time as industrial drones can be valued at tens of hundreds of dollars. The value of drones is encouraged through elements together with the first rate of cameras and sensors, the variety and flight time of the drone, and the extent of automation and synthetic intelligence constructed into the device. While drones may be pricey, they also offer sizable value financial savings in plenty of industries. For example, drones may be utilized in agriculture to reduce the need to guide hard work and enhance crop yields. In creation, drones may be used to enhance performance and decrease the chance of injuries. In transportation, drones may be used to supply items and scientific elements to far-off regions, lowering the need for pricey infrastructure. Conclusion: weighing the advantages and disadvantages of drone technology. Overall, there are numerous benefits and drawbacks to the usage of drone technology. While drones can offer sizable blessings in terms of protection, performance, and value financial savings, in addition, they increase worries about privacy, protection, and accessibility. It is vital for people and groups to cautiously recall the blessings and dangers of the usage of drones earlier than making an investment in this technology. The drone technology is a brand new and interesting area that is unexpectedly evolving. As the technology keeps enhancing, it's possible that we could see even extra modern making use of drones in plenty of industries. Whether you're a farmer, a creation worker, or a transportation professional, It's very vital to live with knowledge of the modern-day tendencies of the drone technology and to cautiously weigh the benefits. Thank you for watching till the end. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss any of our new videos.